Hey there! Ever wondered what calorie counting is all about? Or maybe you're just tired of hearing conflicting information about it? Well, today I'm here to set the record straight and give you the lowdown on calorie counting. First off, let's break down what calorie counting actually is. Essentially, it's a way to track the number of calories you consume through food and drink, and the number of calories you burn through activities and exercise. The goal? To manage your weight, whether that's losing, gaining, or maintaining. Now there's a common myth that calorie counting is super complicated and time-consuming, but guess what? It doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a little bit of know-how, it can actually be quite simple and even enjoyable. Another myth is that all calories are created equal. While it's true that a calorie is a unit of energy, the source of those calories matters. 100 calories from a donut aren't the same as 100 calories from an apple. The quality of the food you eat can affect your energy levels, how full you feel, and your overall health. So, how do you get started with calorie counting? First, you'll need to figure out your daily calorie needs. There are plenty of online calculators that can help with this. Once you know your target, you can start tracking what you eat using apps or even a simple notebook. Remember, it's important to be consistent and honest with your tracking. It's easy to forget that handful of chips or that extra spoonful of peanut butter. But those little things add up. Now I know this might sound a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I've got a great resource to help you out. I've put together an ebook called Calorie Counting Made Simple that breaks everything down in an easy to understand way. It includes tips, tricks, and even some sample meal plans to get you started. If you're ready to take control of your health and make calorie counting a breeze, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your copy of the ebook. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your best life. See you next time, and remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with small manageable steps. Happy counting!